I am Chioma Mang, the Managing Director stroke CEO of United Bank for Africa, Uganda.
So why are we here?
Today, we are celebrating Africa's Day. It is a day set aside by AU, African Union, to appreciate Africa, the diversity in Africa. However, it's usually on 25th of May. But because 25th of May this year is on a Saturday, we decided to celebrate ahead of it. Okay? Because not every people work on a Saturday. So that's why we are here to appreciate Africa. And UBA is a bank that is across so many locations in Africa. So we have seen the diversity in us. We have seen the Africanness in us. We have over 25,000 staff drawn from different parts of Africa. And we give the opportunity for you to move to any part of Africa to work. So we don't joke with Africa. We are driving connectivity across Africa to enable people do their business anywhere they can do within Africa and also the rest of the world. So today is a unique and special day for us as UBA.
You talked about injecting 250 million US dollars into supporting SMEs.
Yeah.
Why are you doing this as a bank?
Good. We are doing this because, as I said, we are United Bank for Africa. We have been in Africa for 75 years. We have seen the pain of African businesses. We know that if Africa should grow and compete with the rest of the world, Europe, Asia, Americas, we have to support our own businesses, the smaller businesses, to grow. And most of the small scale enterprises, SME, have difficulty accessing funds to support their business. So we came together with African Bank to say, what do we do? Even though we have been supporting, but what do we do? How do we throw a significant sum that will make a difference? And we're able to agree this year to inject $6 billion across Africa. We're in 20 African countries. $6 billion. About $250 million of that money is for Uganda. So I want our people in Uganda to know that this money is available for you. When you devote a particular sum for a project and you don't use it, it's a loss to all of us. So we want the SMEs in Mbale to come forward, meet my team here to access that money. That is what we're doing. We have done our work and we have structured the loan in such a way that it can be easily accessible by the SMEs to support their business, because the real growth of any economy, and most economies in Africa, is from the SME. And that's why we're pitching our tent with the SMEs in Africa.
Thank you so much, Mom. As a woman, as a female journalist, I'm very happy to see you FD, you're a woman. And how do you find it as a woman? You're leading a lot of men amid the trust. And how did you do that? And maybe some message to other women. Can we also do that?
Thank you very much for that question. Is a question that if I start talking, I won't stop. Okay, being a woman, you know, the truth is that across Africa, one thing that is common across our culture is that it's a male-dominated society, and our traditional culture for women require us to really be mothers and to be sisters and to be daughters, to nurture the home. But over time, that is changing, that is shifting, and women are being encouraged to access education. My joy is that the bank that I've worked with, this is my 25 years with UBA, drives gender balance. UBA is a place that tells you we don't look at your gender, we look at your capacity. So what I tell every woman is to make yourself competitive. Be strong. It's not easy, because if you're working as a woman, you're still a mother, you're still a daughter, you're still a sister. So if you're not organized, if you're not focused, you won't be able to marry both. Work-life balance is essential for you to succeed. Knowledge is essential for you to succeed. Education is essential for you to succeed. Boldness is essential for you to succeed as a woman. But don't play the female card. Okay? Out there, you have to be able to do what any other person, man or woman, is able to do. For UBA, we have 19 subsidiaries outside the head office in Nigeria. Out of these 19 subsidiaries, 6 of the subsidiaries are headed by women. For me, this is my third country as a managing director. Before coming to Uganda, I was in the MD of Liberia, UBA Liberia, and then UBA Gabon, and now I'm here. So there's so much for women to do. If you really want to do it, you push yourself beyond your limits.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Might
you.
be some message for women. They might fear approaching services here. They may think that for only men, no things of money.
No, 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 no. Our banking services does not run around gender. Okay? It runs around your business, your person. We serve everybody, big, middle, small, everybody. You're welcome to come into UBA. You should not be afraid. Approach us. We look at your business and we look at the best services that is suited, the best product that is suited for your business, and we work with you. Actually, we have a lot of successful women business owners that are banking with UBA, have been with UBA over time. So no woman should be afraid to approach us. Come forward, man or woman. Thank you so much.